Okay, so here we will be studying the labeling effect for acids. The definition is the phenomenon by which the acidity or basicity of the molecule is leveled by H2O. It's not basically H2O, it's any solvent. Okay, it's solvent, but H2O is one of the example solvents such as liquid ammonia for strong acids. Because we are studying the labeling effect for acids, therefore we are considering this thing like the liquid ammonia just for strong acids. And H2 is also for strong acid because it's like amphoteric and it give us it's amphoteric, and it is sort of basic. Okay, so what I did the mistake here is like first you have to write the definition, that the phenomenon by which the acidity or basicity of the molecule is leveled by any solvent, by a solvent. Okay, then we have to write example. If we are in case of acids, then we have to write the example of the solvent. Like we will give the heading such that example of solvent, right? We have to give heading example of solvent, especially when you are in Peshawar board or any sort of board like Peshawar, Punjab, anything like that. Okay, then you have to write example for solvent and write the names of H2O. For solvent, often acidic solution. Okay, then H2O and write the liquid ammonia. Okay, then we have this explanation, it's liquid. Okay, these things are liquid. Autoionization of water, we will first like discuss this thing, that when H2O combines with H2O, it gives us hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion. So the hydronium ion is the standard for the labeling of the strong acids. It is the strong one of the strong acids, and like to it's the strong acid. Okay, and we need our strong acids to react with water and give this thing, and completely ionize to give their negative ion and hydronium ion also. So here's the example, it's like HCl plus H2O will give us it's one arrow, because uh, this is one of the condition that it should not be in equilibrium state. It should give us like it should be one sided arrow. Okay, and it will give, it's my mistake, so it will be one sided arrow, H2O plus and chlorine minus. Okay, and then and HNO3, it will also react with H2O and give this and this, and they it is also a single headed arrow. This thing is what we need. It should be completely like when these acids react with H2, it should completely give these things. Okay, and when it give completely these things and they're like not in equilibrium state, so this is what we call like the water leveled the HCl and HNO3. Okay, so the acidity is leveled by